Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today, I have an unboxing of the Sweet Springtime February 2024 Paper Pumpkin Kit. Our Stap & Spot this month is Early Espresso. Pardon my pup. Okay, we have some great sentiments this month. Springtime greetings, welcome baby, happy Easter. An adorable bunny and chick. And some daffodils. We have linen thread and tear and tape. Dimensionals, glue dots, and it looks like some really cute little white, matte white gems. So let's see, let me sort out what we have here so we're not jumping around. Okay, so we have 3 slimline cards. Cute flower pattern on these. I love that the back is that way too. More to chop up. And we have matching envelopes. Oh, that looks really cute together. And then we have this style of envelope to go with this card base. Again, and chop these up if we want to. And we have the treat boxes, 3 of those. And here are the die cuts. The little chicks on here are adorable. And our pails. Some great ribbon die cuts. And cute daffodils. And then we have some wreaths. And this looks like a frame, so I'm not going to pull this apart just yet. I want to be careful here. These little pieces of grass poke up individually, and I want to be very careful punching all this out so I don't rip anything. And here are the suggested ways to put them together, but of course, there's always all the alternatives. Super cute as is. And our colors this month are Berry Burst, Crumb Cake, Daffodil Delight, Early Espresso, Garden Green, Granny Apple Green, Pecan Pie, Petal Pink, and Berry Vanilla. Super cute, springy, Eastery. And even here's some few alternatives already shown. Stay tuned to my channel as I will be posting at least one more alternative, if not more. Thanks for watching. Bye.